the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey everybody, we're going to be making flounder fillets, boneless and skinless. We're going to need seasoned fish fry, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, and also vegetable oil. Okay guys, these are what the fish fillets look like. I like to cut mine down the center before I season them and batter them. Alright, I've seasoned the fish. You use your Old Bay seasoning, garlic and pepper. Keep in mind not to heavily season it because the batter, the fish fry, is already seasoned. In my frying pan, I put 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. So now before you put your fish into the seasoned fish fry, have that heating up. Make sure your grease is hot. Alright, as you can see, the fish is already coated in the seasoned fish fry and it's ready to go in the frying pan. Alright guys, the fish is in the frying pan frying. It doesn't take that long to cook. Okay, it's frying up nicely. You fry it about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. My side dishes for the fish are going to be cut green beans and garlic and olive oil vermicelli. While the fish is frying, I have the water and the butter heating up so we can get the side dishes on. For my green beans, I just like to add a teaspoon, I can't believe it's not butter, and also a teaspoon of the minced garlic. Alright, this is the finished fish. It looks good, doesn't it? Okay, we're almost done. Okay guys, this is the finished plate and I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.